Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will see how to cure ants from your skin. Today, I'm going to share face pack for acne. These packs are the most natural ingredients that will instantly work on acne and help you get clear and glowing skin. Rice flour face pack. The ingredients are 2 teaspoons rice flour, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon honey. So here in a small bowl, mix all these 3 ingredients and form a paste on your face and neck of the face. Now apply an even layer. Apply base in a circular motion and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently wash your face with water and dry your face with soft towel. Rice flour is an excellent ingredient to get rid of acne and pigmentation spot. It has skin brightening and deep tan property and can help to reveal your inner skin glow. It's an excellent source of vitamin B, which helps in the production of nuisance and makes your skin look young and fresh. Lemon juice is loaded with citric acid that directly targets the acne-prone areas and dries out the excessive oil. Its antiseptic property kills bacteria that causes acne. It is loaded with vitamin C and lightens the acne mark. Slowly. Raw honey helps to balance the bacteria on the skin, making it an excellent acne treatment. Honey also improves the healing of the skin cell, and it is also great moisturizer, which can keep your skin soft throughout the day. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, subscribe, like, share, and comment your thoughts. Bye!